plop, bloop, bloop. Rain Talk by Mary Serfozo. Illustrated by Keiko Narahashi. Bloop, trip, pit-pat. Ploop, plop, ploop. Ploom, 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 ploom. Go the first fat raindrops. Ploom, 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 into the soft summer dust of a country road. Each little drop digs a dark little hole, and the smell of wet dust tickles my nose. Ping, 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 ping-a-ding, ping, ping. On the old tin roof of the garden shed, the drops all try to talk at once. Ping, ping, ping-a-ding, ping, 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 ping. And they chuckle together as they run down the drain. Plip, 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 plip. It's raining harder now. Listen to the plip, 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 plip as it speckles the smooth surface of the pond. To Mother Duck, that says, time to go for a swim. Hiss, whoosh, whoosh. Out on the highway, the raindrops bounce high and whoosh and hiss as the cars hurry by. Headlights are coming on, reaching out to catch the silvery slants of rain. Bup, 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 bup. Now all I can hear is the bup, 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 bup of rain thumping on my umbrella. And dropping and dripping all around. Flick, flick, flick. Mother says to come in the house, and the rain tries to come in too. Flick, flick, flicking itself like pebbles against the window panes. I'd rather stay outside. Sizzle, sizzle, spit. When I eat my supper and bath, I lie in front of the fire, and now and then a raindrop slips down the chimney to spit and sizzle on the logs. I'm getting very sleepy here. Drumatum, drumatum, drumatum. Tucked into my bed upstairs, I try to stay awake and listen to the drumatum, a drumatum, a drumatum on the roof above my head. But my eyes just won't stay open. Tomorrow, I may find the rain all gone, with only a sparkle still caught in a spider web or a flower. But I'll look first